In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can quit your 9 to 5 job and how you can actually make money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. And I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about how you can quit your 9 to 5, your job, if that's something that you really want, and how you can actually make money online. Just in case that you don't know, I'm going to be talking about a little bit about my online journey. Everything started back on 2007. At that time, I was blogging. That was the thing that I had. I have a really powerful network. Unfortunately, I met the wrong person at the wrong time and I suffered a huge scam. So I ended up in huge debt and I had to find 2 full-time jobs in order to pay my debts. They were huge and to survive. Okay. So I have, really great position in these 2 jobs, but unfortunately, I was barely making it. So I was looking for another way in which I can make money online, and having or getting a third full-time job was not an option. So I was like, okay, how do I, get something that really worked for me? So I tried different business models like dropshipping, dog service, and all this stuff. And then I was like, no, what I'm going to be doing, it's called affiliate marketing. So basically what I ended up doing was promoting other people products and services while I was working on my regular 9 to 5. And remember, I had 2 full-time jobs. At the end, well, I ended up replacing them. So this actually really worked. So I'm going to be talking about based on my experience, and I can tell you guys that if you really want to do it, if you really want to make it happen, you can do it. You need to have the right mindset. You need to believe in yourself. You need to believe that it's actually possible for you. You need to take action, and it's going to be um, life changing. Okay. The reason why I'm telling you, it's because sometimes we have a lot of excuses like, no, I'm not going to do it because I don't have time, because I have my full-time job. And when I get home, I'm tired and all this stuff. Man, that's not just an excuse. If you need to wake up an hour earlier, you can do it. If you really want this and you need to go to bed an hour later, you can do it as well. Okay. So there's no excuses. You just need to have a commitment with yourself and all this stuff. Okay. So let me share with you my screen because there are some things that I want to share with you. Okay. But, I was talking about, a little bit about me, and so you can know and you can understand that this is actually possible. So how you can quit your job and make money online? Well, there are several ways in which you can do this, but I'm going to be talking about based on my experience, as I told you, based off doing affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people products and services. By the way, guys, if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay. So there is a pro tip. Okay. And this is something that you guys need to understand. If you really want to be successful online with your online business, you need to understand that this is not something that is going to happen overnight. Okay. There is a lot of quote unquote overnight success, but these are people who have been struggling for quite some time. Of course, these happen way faster than if you have a regular um, business. And by regular business, I mean an offline business in which you need to invest $75,000, 100 grand, and you're barely making it on the first few years to break even after 5 years. No, this is not the case. Okay. But you need to understand that you need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have a commitment with your success. Okay. And in a couple of months, not even years, you are going to be earning money. Okay. But most people don't get into that point because they quit too soon. I know this sounds kind of crazy, but right now there is a huge thing with the shiny object syndrome. There are people who are jumping from thing to thing to thing because right nowadays there are so many opportunities. Okay. So you need to have your commitment with yourself. You need to have your commitment with your success. And you need to understand that this is going to happen fast. Okay. But this is not going to happen overnight. And don't quit too soon. Okay. That's the very first thing I want to take into consideration. Now, one of the things that you need to learn, it doesn't matter what kind of online business you have, you need to learn marketing. Okay. If you don't learn how to market, man, you're going to be in trouble. Okay. Why do I mean by this? First of all, you need to learn how to drive target traffic. Okay. Not any traffic, but targeted traffic. Okay. I know that nowadays with all this short form content, what most people want is to go viral. And this is not necessarily the case. What you want is to talk to the right audience and put things into perspective. If you get into an auditorium and you are, in that stage and you're in front of 100 people, man, that's a lot of people. Okay. It's not 10,000, it's not 100,000, but 100 people, that's a lot. And especially if they are really interested in what you have to offer. Okay. This is target traffic. Okay. So you don't need to have a huge following. You don't need to have or get a lot of eyeballs, but you need to drive your message to the right people. So you need to know who your target traffic is, who you want to talk to, okay, which are their pain points, um, which are, what they want to achieve, okay, what they're struggling right now, if they can relate with you on your story and your position, all this stuff, okay? So you need to drive target traffic so you can get leads, okay? In order to get leads, you need to build a system. Um, in this system, don't worry, it's a two-step system. Literally, you're going to collect their name and email address, and you're going to be start doing something that we call email marketing, which is basically follow-ups. Okay, right now I'm using two tools, which is ClickFunnels and GetResponse, but there is another tool that I'm also using and I recommend because you can start for free, which is System.io. So if you want to study that option, I'm going to be leaving the links below so you can check on the tools and you can decide the one that you want to go with. With System.io, it's an all-in-one marketing solution and literally you can start it for free. Okay, so you need leads. With leads and with follow-ups, with email marketing, what I was talking about, this is when you actually get the opportunity to make money while you sleep, okay? Because the internet is literally open 24/7. You don't know when people are going to watch your content. You don't need to be in front of the computer 24/7. But you also need to understand that you need to learn how you are going to convert sales, okay? Nowadays, in order to help someone make the decision to make a purchase, you need to reach them at least 7 to 10 times. And this is why it is so important, okay, to do follow-ups. And I understand, again, as maybe as me, you have two full-time jobs. Maybe you have three part-time jobs. Maybe you have one full-time job that is a big deal and you have, responsibility with your family. Okay, I get that. So you cannot be in front of your computer 24/7. So you really need a system that is going to be working for you. Okay. And also you need something to sell. Okay. You need something to sell, but don't worry if you go the same route that I went, which is, and I'm still doing it, which is affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people products and services. You don't need to create a product. Okay. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to create a service, but you need something to sell. Okay. Nowadays, more than 80% of the companies out there give you the opportunity to promote products. Okay. And also, you need to understand that the way in which you are going to be earning money, it's by selling. But again, as an affiliate marketer, you are not going to be doing the sale. You literally are going to be driving the traffic or people who are interested to that offer that you are promoting. And the company that you're promoting, they are the ones who are going to be doing the sale. But you need to be okay with selling. Okay. You need to be okay with the fact that they are going to be selling something. Okay. So another thing here is that you need to be consistent. Okay. This is actually key if you want to be successful. Okay. You need to take action. Why I'm telling you guys this? Because there is a lot of people out there who are jumping from one thing to the next thing to the next thing, and they're not consistent. Okay. And this can start with driving target traffic. Maybe you are like me, you're creating a YouTube video, but then you're heard for something and someone tell you like, no, the big thing is go blogging. Then another person told you like, no, there is this Facebook strategy. There is another person who are telling you like, no, 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 no. You better go and be all day on Instagram. No, especially if you're really busy, don't jump from thing to thing to thing. Okay, be consistent. Okay, be consistent. If you're driving traffic at the beginning, I suggest you to go and stick with one traffic source. Okay, go with one traffic source. Nowadays, you can start with short form content, and you don't even need to show your face. You can create 5 second, 7 second, 10-second videos on TikTok, and you can repost them on Facebook Reel, Instagram Reel, and YouTube Reel. It's the same. Okay, but you need to be consistent. It's not that, hey, I'm going to be creating a video now and then I'm not going to be doing anything. No, you need to be consistent. The same, if you're promoting a product, okay, keep with that product. You can promote other products on the back end. So don't be changing products like crazy, okay? And super important, you need to take action. Yeah, it's really important to learn and consume content, but it's also important to have a commitment with yourself, to have a commitment with your success, and take action every single day. Diana, what if I don't have every single day? Okay, well, you will need to sacrifice your free time. Okay, if you have one day off at the beginning, you will need to sacrifice it, but it's gonna be worth it because this is literally the same way how I was able to replace not only one, but two full-time jobs. And I was able to pay my debts. Okay. So again, if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description with my number one recommendation to make money online. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.